Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to create music folder on Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the File Manager app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. Just look for an icon labeled Files or File Manager. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, scroll down until you see the Internal Storage option. Tap on it to open up your phone's storage directory. Step 3. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to open a small drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. From the menu, find and select Create Folder. A pop-up will appear asking you to name the folder. Type in something like My Music or any name you prefer, then hit the Create button. Step 5. And that's it. To make sure your new folder is ready, just scroll through the menu and open the My Music folder, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.